Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Miss Flora Prasad, and I'll be taking you the maths class for today. Now, good. So, good boys and girls. So, today's topic we'll be talking about place value. Okay. Can anybody tell me what you know about place value? Is the number in a digit? Whether okay, yes, 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 Anissa, is the your value in and the number. Okay. Whether it's in the ones column, third column, ones column, 100 column, thousands column. Okay, good. So I'll be looking. I want you now to watch a video.
Place value for kids. Today, we will learn all about place value. We will do some activities together to help you become number reading champions. First, let's talk about the word digit. We use the word digit to talk about any number from 0 to 9. In the number 356, there are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. How many digits are in this number? It's 3 again, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. Numbers can be made up of 1 digit, 2 digits, or many digits. Each digit in a number has something called a place value. What is place value? Place value tells us how much each digit in a number represents. This chart represents the values 1, 10, and 100. It's important to learn the value of each digit in a number. For example, the number 5 in the ones place has a value of 5. But if we move the 5 to the tens place, we now have 5 tens, or the number 50. And if we move that 5 over one more time to the hundreds place, we now have 5 hundreds, or 500. Let's look at a number with 3 different digits. This number is 567, and each of those 3 digits has a specific place value. Let's slide this number into our chart. The place value is now listed below each digit. This number has the place values in the hundreds, tens, and ones. There are 7 ones, which equals 7, 6 tens, or 60, and 5 hundreds, or 500. You can also think of this number as 500 plus 60 plus 7, or 567. With place value, you will always put the final digit of any whole number in the ones column. Then, all the other numbers will automatically fall into their correct columns. If the number only has 2 digits, we again start with the ones column and insert the last number there. The 3 in the tens column represents 3 tens, or 30 in this number, and the 4 in the ones column represents 4 ones, or 4. We do the same thing if the number is only 1 digit, like in the number 6. The 6 gets inserted into the ones column, which means this digit represents 6 ones. Quick quiz. In the number 786, which digit is in the tens place? Did you say 8? That's right. There are 8 tens or 80. Which digit is in the hundreds place? Did you say 7? You got it. There are 700 or 700. Finally, how many ones are there? I bet you said 6. You're on a roll. 786 is the same as 700 plus 80 plus 6. So far, we've only looked at numbers with 3 digits. Let's talk about the place values after hundreds. The largest 3-digit number we have is 999. The next number is 1000 and has 4 digits. Can you guess what the next place value is named? Did you say 1000? Great job. So, what do you think the name of the next added place value column is? Did you say 10,000? If so, you're exactly right. How about the next one? It's 100,000. Can you see the ones, tens, and hundreds pattern repeating? On this next chart, we get to 1 millionth place value. The pattern then repeats again to 10 million, 100 million, and then billions. We've practiced assigning place values to different numbers. Here are a few final questions to help you review.
Okay, we'll stop there for today. Now, go back to the video. Good. So, go back to the slide, sorry. Good. Can anybody tell me what you learned about the video? You learned about place value. And can you say what's the digit? The digit you can find in a number. Good. Now here I have the place value chart. And let's read what's the place value. A place value, the value of each digit within a number. So like we have 300 and 336. So the place value of 6, we have 6 ones. Good. Good. So as you can see in the aid, we have place value is a number of the digit based on its place in a number. So we have the example here, 276, and you can find it in the place value charts. We have listed from the first column, which is the ones column. And what's the second column, class? If you say 10, you are correct. And the next column we have up to, we have up to 100 there as in the example, but it goes on, we can have the thousands column. Good. Good. For this lesson, we'll be focusing more on the 3 columns, the 100 columns, the tens columns, and the ones column. And also the thousands column for some cases. Good. Now, as you look at the bottom of the aid, we have place value and or face value. Let's find out more about them. Each digit in a number has a place value and a face value. In the number 4,856, the digit 4 is in the thousand place. Is it correct, class? Yes, that's in the thousands place. Meaning the place value is thousands. What's the place value for 4? Thousands, because this is the thousands column. The number you see, 4, is the face value. Now the number You see in the number 856, you see 4 it's what the number you see. 4 is the face value. Like you look into the mirror and you see your face, that is your face, right? So let's go for the top number. 276. What is the face value for 2? Your face value is 2 because that's the number you are seeing in the number. Good. So I'll now distribute the worksheet and you will fill in the worksheet. It says, the instruction says, complete the table with the place value and the face value of the online digit in each number. So we have an example, hundreds, tens, and ones. We have 59 and 5 is in the tens column, and the face value for 59, and we have 5. For the tens column, we have 5. Good. So you would work the worksheet there. Okay, let's work. So number 1, it's already worked. We have 59 and the place value is 1 for the 9 underlying digit and the face value is 9. So we have 28. The place value for 2 is, what is that? If you guess tens, then you're correct. And the face value is 2. If you guess that, you are correct. You are on a roll today. Now complete the rest. I'll give you a couple minutes to finish that. And we come around to see what you're doing. Okay, now that you finish your worksheet, I'll distribute the homework. Here we have the homework. So you're gonna write the face value and the place value of the color digit in each number when you go home. Now time to reflect. I'll now share out the exit ticket. You write your name. Today I learned about things I do not understand. How do you feel about today's lesson? Your circle emoji, whether you're sad, whether you're smiling, you love it, or you're sad. Good. So fill that out, and then finally we will conclude this lesson with a game, a puzzle. Good. So are you ready for the puzzle? So I have this number 5. Can you see this number? Good. Can you tell me what's the place value for each digit? If you guess 500, 4 tens, and 5 ones, you are correct. Give yourself a clap and you have matched the puzzle correctly. Very good. Good. Now, so what's the face value for the number 4? 4, good, because you have seen the number 4. Good. Okay, we have a next puzzle where we have, can you read this? 4 tens, 2 ones. And what number will you get? 42. Good, correct. Now we see 42 there. And now we have a puzzle. So you have to mark these blocks there. So let's count these cubes. 1, 2. So it could be 2. And the rest is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows of tens. So we have 42. Good. Very good. Give yourself a clap. So we have 36. And can you tell me the number, the place value for 3? And place value for 6? If you guess, if you answered and get 3 tens and 6 ones, you are correct and you have matched the first part of the puzzle. Very good. Now, we have the final piece of the puzzle where it has 6 individual cubes and 3 columns of 10. So we have 36. If you match, so very good. If you figure that out, we have fixed the puzzle. Good. Give yourself a clap. Now that brings me to the end of this lesson today. So we have learned about place value and face value. Can anybody tell me what's face value? Face value is, yes, Nicholas, is a number that you see. Good. Okay. Yes, Cynthia? Is a number what you see? Okay. Good. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and that brings me to the end of my presentation today.